How to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Hello guys, this is AppHacks and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Binance. Make sure the app is up to date to its latest version. After you open up your app, you'll need to be sure that you're on Binance Pro and not on Binance Lite. For that, tap on the top left corner and there you should see Binance Pro, or if you see Binance Pro on the bottom, tap on it to be on this page right here. After you're on Binance Pro, you'll see under recommended, you will see an option that says more services. Tap on it, and after you do that, scroll down and under the trade section, you'll find convert. As you can see on the top left of trade, you'll find convert. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll see two options. Here on the top, change this to USDC. Search for USDC, and on the bottom, change it to USDT. So change it there, and now you will be able to convert your USDC to USDT. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe to AppHacks.